In this tutorial, we're going to learn about balancing equations. The first step to writing a balanced equation is to write the unbalanced equation. This is a reaction between hydrogen and chlorine to make hydrogen chloride. Next, we are going to count the number of each type of atom in the reactants and products. To do this, draw a line that separates the two sides of the reaction. Then write out each element that appears on the reactants and product side. The subscripts tell us that there are 2 hydrogen and chlorine on the reactant side, and on the product side we have just 1 hydrogen and chlorine. After we've done this, we will compare the reactants and products. Ask yourself, does the same number of atoms appear on both sides of the reaction? If not, the equation is not balanced. In this case, we have 2 hydrogen and chlorine on the reactant side, but only 1 on the product side. Next, you're going to add coefficients to increase the number of atoms or molecules. Coefficients are placed in front of the substances in the reaction. In this reaction, we need more product, so we're going to add a coefficient there. If we add a 2 in front of hydrogen chloride, that changes how many total hydrogen and chlorine we have on the product side. Now, there are 2 total hydrogen chlorine on both sides of the reaction. Our final step is going to be to check your answer. Double check that the total number of atoms add up to the correct value on each side, and if they do, you now have a balanced equation.